welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that every fiduciary should understand. IRS Form 1041, the U.S. income tax return for estates and trusts. Managing an estate or trust comes with serious responsibilities, especially when it comes to taxes. Let's break it down together so you can stay compliant and protect your legacy. So, what exactly is IRS Form 1041? This form is essential for reporting the income, deductions, gains, and losses of an estate or trust. It also covers any income distributed to beneficiaries and any tax liability owed by the estate or trust itself. Remember, it's the fiduciary, whether that's the executor, administrator, or trustee, who is responsible for filing this form. Now, who needs to file Form 1041? You'll need to file if the estate or trust earned $600 or more in gross income during the tax year. Additionally, if there's a non-resident alien beneficiary, or if the trust has taxable income, even if it's under $600, filing is necessary. For example, if a trust earns interest, dividends, rental income, or capital gains, it may need to file 11 if that money is passed on to beneficiaries. It's also important to understand that the type of trust matters. Simple trusts must distribute all income annually, meaning beneficiaries will pay taxes on what they receive. On the other hand, complex trusts can accumulate income, distribute principal, and even donate to charities. In this case, the trust may owe taxes on any undistributed income. When it comes to what's reported on Form 1041, you'll need to include income from investments, real estate, or business assets. Deductions such as trustee fees, legal expenses, and charitable contributions are also reported, along with distributions to beneficiaries, which are detailed on Schedule K1. Additionally, you may need to make special elections like alternate valuation or charitable deductions. If you find yourself needing help with filing Form 1041 or managing estate taxes, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services. You can contact us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to guide you through every step professionally, clearly, and with care. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more financial tips, tax insights, and legacy planning strategies. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Your legacy deserves the best care, and we're here to help you achieve that.